What if I told you there's a massive opportunity for you to save a lot of money on your mortgage today? And most experts don't even know about this super hack. The government is making special offers to help you get that home of your dreams. Loan officers who can't even grasp the impact of these new changes that just happened to the housing market. Loans become a huge burden if you don't know how to exploit the loopholes so you can reap the benefits. And with the recent news, choosing a conventional loan out of traditional wisdom can make you miss out on hundreds or thousands of dollars. Now, FHA loans have become the heroes of the current environment because whether you have lower down, higher FICO score, many circumstances all across the board are bringing it to FHA being a money saver for you in your payment and in your cash to close. But that doesn't mean FHA is the best or conventional is the best. To help you see this for yourself, I'm going to show you 3 mistakes most make when deciding which loan to go with and where they go wrong. Listen to the end because I'll also give you 3 bonus tips to help you make sure you choose the right loan for you. Ultimately making sure you don't get screwed over by somebody's bad advice. You ready? Let's dive in. Mistake number 3, not doing your research fully. And keep in mind, this isn't just your independent research, but this is the research you're having with the advisor you're working with. When you're speaking with the loan officer team, you want to be able to have them show you, okay, here's what an FHA loan looks like, 3.5% down and 5% down. Compare that to a conventional loan at 3% down and 5% down. Always try to make sure you're showing apples to apples. We've been in circumstances where clients are looking at 10% down with conventional, not even realizing that FHA still has a 10% down option for them as well. And when they compare it side to side, they're realizing almost immediately they're missing out on hundreds of dollars of savings that they didn't even realize they were leaving on the table. Mistake number 2 is thinking that the variables you have today are going to be the same variables you have later on. People so many times forget that a 30-year fixed rate is fixed, but life and all the other components, your appreciation, your income, the rates themselves, they're not fixed. You did get a fixed situation or circumstance, but everything else is still moving. I personally have helped a lot of families, more than 99% of all other mortgage loan officers in the entire country. That's not a humble brag. That's me trying to show more context to what I'm about to say. I have not met someone who knows someone that has had the same mortgage for 30 years. Yes, same house, but not same loan. And so when you're looking at what you're thinking through right now, keep in mind the question, how much of an impact and what impact will this have in 2 to 3 years from now? Is there an opportunity for me to look at refinancing out of this mortgage insurance? Is there an opportunity for me to not take the higher cost with the conventional loan in as far as interest rate, take the lower one so I can feel more breathing room when I'm paying my mortgage payment every month, and then look at refinancing into a conventional loan later? Because it's not just about, do I pay mortgage insurance right now or not? It's about what is my monthly payment now versus the other, and what are my strategies to be able to get that mortgage insurance off later. Another example of this is I've had clients who decided to go with the lower down payment option, like an FHA 3.5% down, and they used the difference of what they were going to be using as down payment to fix certain things in the houses, like painting all the walls, upgrading the backsplash, doing some renovations in the bathroom, so that within that 12-month period, they hacked their appreciation with those certain upgrades, so they could either strongly reduce their mortgage insurance or, in very few circumstances, fully take it off. So remember that. Your decision today should be with one where you're looking 2 to 3 years down the road to fully know what to do now. And here's mistake number 1. Most people are choosing conventional because they're not also thinking about what will my opportunities be for me in the next 2 to 3 years. But another big reason that people don't go FHA where they should is because they've listened to some agent who has been in the business for 20 plus years, but they've only done 1 or 2 deals in their entire career. They don't really have experience of knowing how to be strategic in getting offers accepted. And when they hear FHA, all they think of is their past experience 15 years ago where FHA loans were different. They don't know how to help you get your offer accepted, and they don't know how to work with a loan officer who's actually intentional. The biggest issue I hear from so many real estate professionals is they start discounting government loans because of their ignorance, not because of true solidified experience or real estate knowledge. So make sure you find the realtor who not only knows how to get real estate done, but knows how to make sure you get the loan you need best in the negotiation table so that you can actually win. Having a realtor back off just because they hear FHA is a really bad sign. Having a realtor who hears what's gonna bring you the most savings and then helps you be very strategic so you can get that saving and the house is the golden ticket that'll help you make your dream a reality. We're witnessing painful shifts in the market this year, stuff that is making people's stomach churn. And with that reality, the need to run numbers, choose the right high mortgage and real estate IQ professionals, and make sure you know what you're doing is gonna help set you up for the legacy you wanna leave behind is more crucial than ever. 2023 can be the best year to buy a home and the year that makes one of the biggest differences in your life and in the future you set up for yourself. I hope this video helps you get one step closer to winning. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the comment section.